Hi, this is Damien from Pet Business Blueprint, and this video will look at editing the pages on your pet website. That includes adding, removing and changing existing pages. So what we want to do is first log into the back end of our site. So we go to our site address in the browser, and at the end we type wp-admin, press enter. This takes us to the login page. We log in here. And from here, along the left hand side, we choose pages, and we find the page that we want to edit. So for example, let's change our About Us page, and when we click on About Us, it just shows the page in an editor. So it's just like working within your word processor, and we basically just go in and just highlight text. We can make it bold. Obviously we can delete text and add new. We can choose to edit images, remove and add images. So let's delete that image and add one of our own. And to add images we go add media, and we can choose media from what's already loaded onto the site, or we can upload files from our computer to use there. So I'm just going to use a sample image, upload it from our computer, insert into page, and there it is. We can select the alignment and whatnot by editing the image. So let's make it left aligned just for this example. Update. Change whatever other content we want to. If we want to include a link somewhere, we simply select the text, and from our top menu here we go insert link, and you can put in a manual link up here, or you can choose to link to a different page. So you might want to have a link to your contact page, for example. So you scroll down and find the page you want to link to, add link. Always remember to update the page when you finish editing, because that will save your changes. And then if you want to see a sample of how the page is looking, you just go view page, and here's our changed about page with our new image and our new link, which goes to our contact page when you click it. So that's how we edit existing pages. To add a page, you just go back to the pages menu and you click add new. Give the page a title. So let's say we want to add a new service, and we're going to call it Pet Rescue. And we add our content here. We type in whatever we want. We might want to add an image. We've just seen how to add an image, so I won't go through that again. Then we simply click publish this page. And that page now exists. Now, even though the page now exists, it is not going to show up on our menus until we assign it to one of our menus. And there are 3 menus on the site. Actually, there are 2 menus on the site, apologies. And you can see a separate video for how to edit each of those menus. So there's our top menu, and there's our services menu, which is our secondary menu. So we need to add our page to one of those menus. And I guess a bit of overlap, but I'm still going to have a look at it here because I think it's quite relevant. And so what we do is we go to Appearance, Menus, and then we choose our new page from here. And we choose Add to Menu, and then we drag it to where we want it on this main menu. If we go Save Menu, if we might want to add that under Services, for example. Now if we go to our main site, click on Services, whoops, under Services there is Dog Pet Rescue, so we click on that, it takes us to that page. We can also add it to our secondary menu. Our secondary menu is this section here along our home page. And so as you can see, across here we choose secondary, pet rescue, add to menu, change the order to where we want it, choose save menu. Now if we go back here, we can scroll down and there's the fourth item. To get the white text underneath it for our services, our secondary menus, we need to click on it in the menu system and give it a title attribute. So type whatever you want under there. Back to our main page, and as you can see, it's reflected there. And that is how we add and edit pages. If you want to remove a page from the menu, you just click remove. And then save your menu. So it's removed from there. As you can see, it's still at the top because we haven't removed it from that menu yet. Back to primary menu, pet rescue, remove, save menu. So there you have it. That is how we add, edit and remove pages from our pet website. Thank you.